Hello and welcome to the Volkswagen Van Centre Liverpool. I'm Rachel and today I'm going to show you around this Volkswagen Transporter T28 Panel van. This van has a 2-litre diesel engine and manual transmission and it's finished in the classic candy white. This van is all about convenience with wing mirrors that are both heated and power adjustable and power folding, as well as automatic headlights to make sure your vision is never compromised. The van also has a rear camera and front and rear parking sensors. The ply-lined load space is completed with lighting and 6 lashing points. It's accessible through barn doors or a side sliding door. Within the driver's door you will find a bin, as well as your controls for the windows and mirrors. Next to this are the controls for the headlights. The adjustable seats are finished in fabric with an armrest for the comfort of the driver. There is also a compartment under the driver's seat for your belongings. From the multifunctional steering wheel you can adjust your cruise control and take calls on the go. You can also control your cockpit, where you can find information about the vehicle's status, driving data, assist systems, audio and your phone. You can make the most of the media system in the 6.5-inch touchscreen, where you can find your favourite radio stations from across the country, connect your phone through Bluetooth or USB to use Android Auto or Apple CarPlay and stay connected on the go, see information about your van, and make the most of the rear camera when parking through the guidelines that will appear on the screen. Finally, moving on down, you can control the heating and air conditioning within the van. There are also 2 USB-C ports, a 12-volt and a cup holder. Thank you for watching. For more information about this vehicle, visit the Swanway Motor Group website or call us on 01515 152 911 and we will be happy to answer any of your questions.